This is actually analog voltmeter. When you turn the back, there are only two terminals. Usually for an analog voltmeter like this, the terminals are not polarized. It means that we can connect live here and then neutral here. Even if we connect live here and neutral here, it will still work. In case you have an analog voltmeter where the terminals are marked, for instance here, this terminal is marked A, and then the other terminal below is marked C. So A simply stands for active and then C for common. Because this is marked, we are going to connect live here and then neutral here. Okay, so our brown wire comes here. And then blue comes here. So this is live and neutral. So these two wires will connect to live and neutral. That is coming from the main supply to the panel. Alright, so this is neutral, this is live. So if this is a panel, then we are connecting these two wires from the output side of the MCB or breaker. So anytime supply is switched on, this voltmeter tells at every time how much voltage is available for the system. So in the next video, I'll show how to wire the digital voltmeter. When you look at the back of this one, you see that the arrangement here for the connection is quite different from the one we just connected. This one has only two terminals, but this, there are two terminals and there is another three terminals here. So in the next video, I will explain and demonstrate how to wire this type of panel voltage meter. Thank you very much for watching. If you have learned something from watching this video, click on the like. Okay, click on the like to like the video. Let me also know what you think about this video, and in case you have not yet subscribed, I will recommend that you subscribe to my channel and learn more about electrical wiring. See you in the next video. Electrical wiring.